In this video, I'll go over the top 5 features of the OnePlus 8 Pro. The screen. The OnePlus 8 Pro is equipped with a 120Hz 1300 nits QHD 6.78-inch display. At 120Hz, the screen animation, motion, scrolling, and so on is extremely fast and smooth. Part of it is thanks to the 240Hz touch sampling rate. It comes at the cost of battery life, but I'd certainly go with such high refresh rate for my everyday use. The processor. The 8 Pro comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865, and as you can see, it stacks really well compared to competing devices. Coupled with LPDDR5 RAM, which is incredibly fast. As such, performance shouldn't be a problem for years to come. Ultra-fast wireless charging. Warp Charge 30 Wireless can charge up your 8 Pro from 0 to 50 in only half an hour. You do need to purchase the OnePlus wireless charger to get ultra-fast charging. However, you'll still be able to use any generic wireless charger, but don't expect such high speeds. You can still use the Warp 30T charger, which comes in the box, to charge 50% of power in 25 minutes. The camera. Previous OnePlus devices have been subpar compared to other high-end phones, but the 8 Pro is easily in line with the top flagships. You have a quad array of a 48-megapixel main camera with OIS, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide, plus a telephoto and color filter camera. And as you can see, the images are sharp with decent dynamic range, and the video is also great. Oxygen OS. What seals the deal for the OnePlus 8 Pro is the Oxygen OS, which is OnePlus's skin on top of Android. It simply makes everything seem even faster than it should be, with minimal tweaks and features which make this device an almost complete product. A bunch of drawbacks of the 8 Pro. I'd say the price. This is not a flagship killer by any means. This is a true flagship with flagship pricing. The selfie camera is okay, not the best though, and the curved front screen is a bother as well. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching.